Okay, so the concept of a radian. It's measurement of angle, and let's start with the unit circle. It's essentially a circle with a radius of r equals to 1. What does that mean? It means that according to the circumference equation, r, when r is 1, the circumference becomes 2 pi. So the circumference of the unit circle is 2 pi. Now, let's half the circle. Obviously, a circle has an angle of 360 degrees, and half a circle has an angle of 180 degrees. Now, note that this angle is subtended by the half arc. This arc composing half a circle, which would have the length of pi. So we can say that in a unit circle, a circle where r equals to 1, 180 degrees is subtended by an arc length of pi. And now, let's try something else. Let's try a quarter of a circle. 90 degrees here. And what's the arc length here? Notice that circumference is 2 pi. And we have a 1/4 of angle here. So we have, 1/4 of 360 degrees here. So we have a quarter of the total circumference, which means that we have pi over 2. Now, if we expand it, notice that 90 degrees is pi over 2. 180 degrees correspond to pi. Then 360 degrees correspond to 2 pi. And we have a system. Now, we can measure the angle according to the length of the arc it subtends on a unit circle. So on a unit circle, we can say that 180 degrees corresponds to a pi. 90 degrees corresponds to pi over 2. And 360 degrees corresponds to 2 pi. So we can even go further. We can say that 45 degrees, because it's half of 90, it would correspond to a quarter of pi. And this correspondence relationship, when moved out of the unit circle, we introduce a new unit called the radian. So in any arbitrary angle, so any random angle, then we would say 180 degrees equals to pi radian. 90 degrees equals to half pi radian. And 360 degrees equals 2 pi radian. And 45 degrees corresponds to pi over 4 radian. I hope this answers your question.